guys, so today I will show you how I did my gel polish at home, and these are some of the items which I had used. So to begin with, you need to sanitize your hands and your client's hands with hand sanitizer, and make sure you clean your hands, your palms, everything very thoroughly. Next, you need to push back the cuticles. So this is the first time that I have done this, and if you have any tips which you could give me, so please feel free. I'm not saying that you have the right to bash me in the comment section, no, it's not that. Please be nice, and yeah, as I've said, this is my first time. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong. I know I didn't use a dehydrator or a rubbing alcohol, but I will try to find those things. So yeah, okay, while cutting or snipping off the cuticles, please be careful not to damage your client's fingers. That would cause severe infection, and of course that would just be really painful. So yeah, please be careful while snipping it off. Here I am using base coat, and now I will use a UV lamp to dry it out. And a big shout out to Pumpkin's Nail Station for sending me this. It was a gift from her to me long ago, but I didn't use it. So this is the first time I'm using it. So guys, her channel will be in the description box below. So now it will be a bit tacky, but you can apply your gel polish. I'm using a smaller brush just to fill in the gaps, and also to remove any excess nail paint which is out of the nails and on the skin. And I will dry it under the UV light for this is for 30 seconds I guess, or 60 seconds. I didn't time it. And then I will apply the second coat. Now I will apply this top coat, and I really love this brand. Actually, this brand is so nice, and everything will be in the description box for your convenience. So I will let this dry for a minute, and then actually I go for 2 minutes so that my nails it dries out completely. So I forgot to show you this step, how I file the nails. So the client didn't want any nail extension of any sort. They wanted it to be painted on their natural nails. So what I did, I just buffed their nails a bit so that the polish, the base coat, it will stick properly. And here I'm repeating all the steps. Base coat, and then under the UV light, dry it out, and then apply 1 coat of nail polish, dry it out, apply another coat of polish, dry it out, and then apply the top coat and dry it out again. And here I am applying OPI nail hydrator. So this is like essential oil for your nails, which you applied after getting the nails done. So guys, yeah, and this is henna. This is a bonus video actually. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Do check out Pumpkin's nail station. Her channel will be in the description box, and also you can find a link on the top right corner of this video. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. Be safe, take care, bye.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love.